What's up, people, and welcome back to the follow-up of the previous video. I apologize that haven't come before, but I got some stuff that I had to take care of, and so yeah, this is basically the follow-up. The market has moved a lot since that. I have taken out position in pretty much all of the ones I entered, and I'm gonna go over where I took out and why, and if I'm going to be going into them again and why and when. Starting off with the Nasdaq, the American market. As we can see, we hit the trend roof very perfectly. We had a bearish fair value gap here as well. So very solid short to take right here. If you took one, I didn't. But yeah, this would be a very solid short. If we take a look at the delta, you can see that we did make a higher high from here to here. So if a bounce down to maybe like somewhere here is likely, and then bounce back up or continue the trend going sideways and then go up or down, depending on like the news we get in the future. If we go into the 4-hour time frame, it's looking bullish right now. We're looking at a small bullish opening because we're in a bullish fair value gap right here and here. And we haven't broken the previous low. We did make low lows here, but it's not. We didn't break the previous lower low. If we break this one right here, I would start looking at more of a sell sign, to be honest. Moving on to the stocks that we have. Tesla. Let's zoom in a little bit more here. Tesla, we hit take profit by just about, like, this is one of the craziest positions I've ever taken. Like, I put on the top of this, on the top of here, 268. I didn't actually put it on the spot. I put it on the spot, like 268 spot, so it's around here. But yeah, it's like at the top of this, so it's more here in reality, but it's still like really close, and it just plummeted. So really nice trade, just in and out, not really much risk here. We went down about 0.5% max before we took the take profit. Really solid trade. Nothing I would have done different here. Maybe. No, actually, this was a very nice trade. I'm actually really happy with this one. We waited for this, checked the divergence on the delta, blah blah blah, and we caught it in the really good time right here. If I would look for another trade in Tesla, as you can see, we have broken the lower lows on the delta as well. Here, we have broken the higher lows. Lower highs, I mean. I'm actually gonna go ahead and play with that. We broke underneath the resist or the support right here, and we broke past this one as well, which really much no buy power anywhere except for maybe here. As you can see here, we still didn't break through these higher high. We couldn't. We did a retest on the support, now resistance, just plummeted. So I do think that we're going to go maybe up, retest the lower lows of the previous trend right here, or as you can see, we have a fair value gap right here. Could go bullish from here, or we're going down to test this support right here. Overall, it still looks like an uptrend, except for here. I know we're starting to look like a downtrend, but the sellers have not really come in yet, because we want to see one more lower high being made and a lower low, because then that will tell us that we're probably going to go either bounce down on this or break through and do a retest down here again, or keep going down. Overall, I do think that we are in a bearish market right now. Maybe we are going to go up this day or this week, I mean, retest this, then keep going down, or just keep going up. We'll see. I usually don't trade Mondays specifically for this reason, because the market hasn't opened, so not really sure yet. SBB, we took this one just straight. Like we entered right here, and we took the take profit the day the market opened, because you can see this was a sorry, what? Yeah, we took the trade, and then it opened, and then we took the take profit. So really solid trade right here. Gold, we got stopped out straight away on gold. I thought it was doing a retest going down, gonna do another retest right here, and then keep going down, but we just kept going up. So gold, really a bad trade. I did see like the lower lows on this here and making higher highs, so I thought we're gonna go down. We just got ran straight through pretty much. I don't know if any news came out here, but this is a big jump up. JBP, JPY, same here. We entered right here, take profit, no touching the stop loss at all. Really solid trade right here. Disney, still haven't exited this one actually. I've taken out 50%. I took it out around here, like here. Here, yeah, somewhere here. Still in the trade with like 50% of the capital I put in, but do think that we are still going to go down just a little bit. Maybe down to like here and then jump up. I am gonna to, if it breaks this high of 84, I'm going to take out my entire position. So yeah, there's that. We are making higher highs on the delta, so very possible for this to keep going up. Volvo, I actually took out my entire position somewhere around here. As you can see, we as soon as we broke this, I was like, yeah, this is gonna keep going down. So as soon as we broke, we went down here. As you can see, we're still making higher lows on the delta. We went up, but we didn't really show any sign of buyers coming in. So I took out my position when we went down somewhere to these levels, 231 or somewhere around that. I am negative right now on this, since we have broken the lower lows on the delta. Euro USD, really good trade. We entered, we got took in a position here, and pretty much 2 candles later we are take profit. Really solid trade. One of the few trades, one of the trades that went 100% according to plan, pretty much. So that's really nice trade. Atlas Copco, same as here, we got stopped out as soon as the market opened. I saw the opportunity where they were showing weaker signs of seller or buyers, and we hit a support or resistance. Sorry, we just broke through it, and yeah, we got stopped out. Nvidia, really confusing trade in my opinion, because I entered right here, and I actually took out some position here, mainly because same as the one before, I can't remember which one it was, but we showed buyers coming in here on the chart, but we don't have much buyers on the delta. Plus we had a fair value gap, so I actually took out my position here at the fair value gap, and you can see it plummeted. So somewhere around these levels right here. Not entirely the place I wanted to take profit, but I saw that I saw an opportunity for it to reverse, to go down, to go negative. So I took the power of my own hands, you know, and just took out my position right here. Really, I made a decent percentage of this, but I did not stick to the take profit, mainly because I saw a very fair value gap, and I saw signs of sellers coming in right here, and sellers coming in on the delta. As you can see, we just have one green candle on this whole upwards movement. As you can see here, I'm going to show you in the 15 minutes as well. We have some green candles, but we didn't break through this previous high. So as soon as those red candles came in, I sold. So yeah, really a trade that was profitable, but it wasn't a trade that was perfect. So overall, this week we're in profit, as we should be. Really nice trades somewhere, or really nice trades. Some of these were. Some of the trades obviously didn't go as well as the other ones, but overall we are still in profit. Really good trading week, and I'm gonna come back with a video maybe tomorrow or today tomorrow about the coming week. This one I'm still in. I don't know where that. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna come up with a new video this week about upcoming trades that I'm gonna take or have taken. But so far, we are still in Disney with 50%, and that's the only one I'm still in right now. As I said, if we break this wick of the previous one at 84, I'm gonna go out. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. Take care.